Wonderful good day to the mining news on Commodity TV, ladies and gentlemen. Niger suspended all gold and uranium exports after the coup, which made the markets slightly nervous. In addition, demand for copper continues to rise and growth in the immobile metals continues unabated. We continue to see rising demand for uranium as well as copper, rare earth metals, gold and silver. Consolidated Uranium completed a 100% acquisition of the Huemul-Agua Botada uranium-vanadium-copper mine and surrounding prospective land totaling 27,350 hectares in the Malagueña department of Argentina's southern Mendoza province. Huemul was Argentina's first producing uranium mine and operated between 1955 and 1975, recording historic production of approximately 500,000 pounds of U3O8 before closing in 1976. CUR now has two projects in Argentina that are technically very valuable. Calibre Mining reported near-surface drill results from its Penn gold mine in Nevada. Highlights included 1.23 grams of gold per ton over 38 meters and 0.89 grams gold per ton over nearly 55 meters. Results at the Dynamite North and Palomino targets located immediately north and south of the current open pit operation respectively continue to extend zones with grades above Penn's stated mineral resource grade of 0.4 grams gold per ton. These additional high-grade results, combined with the newly discovered Coyote target located to the south of the operation earlier this year, continue to demonstrate the potential to increase resources, grade and confidence at the Penn mine. The grade drill results extend the previously announced results for the Palomino target and are in close proximity to the current open pit operation. This should significantly increase mine life at Penn. Uranium Energy Corporation, or UEC, also reported good progress on the startup program for a product startup at Irigaray and Christensen Ranch. On 31st July, they announced the completion of the first phase of development and destination drilling in Wyoming. They drilled 51 holes along known trends in the proposed Mine Unit 15 at Irigaray and the southern areas of Mine Unit 12 at Christensen Ranch. Management is confident in the mineral trends across the various sand areas within the project, and further resource upgrades and extensions are expected. Also moving towards production is Burke Hollow in Palangana. It is important to note that the second production area has been established at Burke Hollow, while further appraisal drilling is being carried out at Palangana. A resumption of production could start on production area 4. H.C. Wainwright reiterates a buy recommendation with a price target of $8. Our price target is $8.50. And in the longer term, we see $12 to $15 as feasible. Collective Metals announced the interpreted exposure grade of its Princeton project in British Columbia. The project and its surroundings have an abundance of mineralized occurrences documented as min-file occurrences in the Provincial Assessment Report Index System. Many of these min-file occurrences document gold and/or platinum plus minus palladium recovered from placer operations, possibly indicating the presence of alkaline copper-gold porphyry deposits of interest on the project property. To the east of the project, the Copper Mountain intrusive complex called CMIS has been intruded into the Nicola Group source rocks. The CMIS consists of the zoned Copper Mountain stockwork and the dioritic Voigt stockwork, which is subsequently intersected by the multi-phase Lost Horse dikes, the last two phases of which are associated with mineralization. The subsequent intrusion of the unmineralized Verdestock and dikes mine complete the simplified geology of the CMIS. Christopher Huggins, Chief Executive Officer of Collective Metals, said, "The mineralization and geological setting of the Copper Mountain mine are very well known. This allows Collective to quickly focus its efforts on prospective areas that have similar geological structures and lithologies. This information will allow the team to start testing soil and rock samples this year, giving us the opportunity to start drilling in a number of target areas in 2024, said the CEO. We look forward to seeing the further results. Please note the disclaimer superimposed now. The shares discussed are or may become part of the SRC Mining Special Situation Certificate, and I'm a shareholder in the companies. Thanks for watching us, and bye-bye from Austria.